Hi everyone, it's Miss James and I'm going to teach you how to use Kami. So it's very possible that you're given an assignment on Canvas and when you open it, it will open it directly in Kami. If it doesn't, you can start Kami by clicking on the extension in the upper right hand corner of your Chromebook that is a blue circle with a white K in the middle. And then here you can find the document you want on your Google Drive. Once you're there, the tool you're probably going to want to use the most is drawing. So it's drawing, but you're really just writing. You can change like the line thickness, the transparency, and the color as well. But then using your stylus, you can just write right on the screen. If you make a mistake, you can erase it with the eraser. There are a bunch of other tools too. So for instance, there's a dictionary. You can highlight that, click on a word, and it'll tell you the definition.
Additional.
Text to speech, you can highlight different parts of the document and it will read it to you like we just heard. Marking up, so if you have maybe a textbook chapter or something that you want to either like highlight or strike through or underline, this, if I think this whole problem is important, I can draw a box around it and highlight it, or we can just highlight part of a sentence. There's a comment. So your teacher might use this tool, or you're turning in a document and you have a question that you don't want to like formally write on your document, but you want to like ask something. You can click and then type in your comment about that problem. You can also leave a voice comment, a video comment, or do a screen capture there. And like always, you can change the color of the text that you use. You can create a new text box, so you can make your own assignment in Kami. And if you do that, you can always add another page at the bottom, tell how many you want. You can add a blank page, a lined page, a grid page, or a music sheet. So say we want a grid page for like a graphing assignment or something. It added page 3 to the bottom of my document, and you can create a text box and then start typing in something. So if you were like making your own worksheet, you could use something like this. You can type equations, worded saw drawing. You can also draw different shapes. Might need that for math class. We've seen the eraser. You can add images and even sign documents.